IWF is North America's largest wood products and technology and design show. A premier platform for leading companies and the latest woodworking technologies, perfect for exploring innovations and networking. Today, we have exciting news that we can't wait to share with you.
Next week, we are heading to IWF 2024 to show our woodworking machinery components.
We will showcase our most classic woodworking machinery parts, and every detail reflects our pursuit of excellence. We're going all out for this exhibition. Don't miss this industry event. We look forward to seeing you on August 6 and 9. Our booth number is A11320 at the Georgia Congress Center in Atlanta. How do you feel about that you are going to America?
We are very excited because this is our first time to attend such an exhibition in the United States.
What do you think you and Fong will gain?
New vision, marketing, and new potential partners.